Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Granola AI. Now first, you want to go to their website, Granola AI, or their app and create an account. Log in if you already have one. But once you're in, you'll want to connect your calendar like Google Calendar or Outlook, so Granola AI can detect your upcoming meetings. Next, you want to grant microphone and recording permissions if prompted. This lets Granola AI join your meetings and listen in to generate notes automatically. Now you can customize your settings. Choose which meetings you want to record, whether you want full transcripts, summaries, action items, or highlights. You can also select how detailed the notes should be and whether they're delivered as text, PDF, or directly into your email or collaboration tool. Once everything is set, Granola AI will automatically join your meetings at the scheduled time, record the conversation, and generate organized notes afterward. You can review, edit, or share these notes directly from the app. And basically, that's about it. Once set up, Granola AI takes care of all your meeting notes so you can focus on the discussion instead of scrambling to write everything down. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.